Hi guys, my name is Chavi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we will be doing an outdoor photo shoot. बहुत दिनों बाद तमीज से धूप निकली है, तमीज से नहीं निकली पर धूप निकली है and I really want to do a Photoshop. I really want to do a photo shoot because last night ना मैं ऐसे scroll कर रही थी अपने phone में and I was like मेरे पास videos बहुत हैं, मैं videos, reels ये सब post करती रहती हूँ but then I don't really post photos और Instagram पे I think I should. I wanted some photographs तो मैंने सोचा कि इसको video भी बना लेते हैं क्योंकि video तो बनाना ही होता है ना हर चीज़ को. Anyways, so yeah, that is the plan for today and if you're interested without further ado, let's get started. Alright, तो अभी तो मैं बिल्कुल भी तैयार नहीं हुई हूँ. As you all can see, I'm wearing this very good jacket that I really like. बहुत गर्म है, but that is not a point. अभी मैं जाके अपना outfit change करके आती हूँ. I'll do my makeup, but पहले outfit change करके आती हूँ. Okay, I'll be right back. मैंने transition किया है to तू देख कैसे लग रही है.
इस वीडियो में ट्रांजिशन करा है तूने.
हाँ, अरे नहीं, ये पहना हुआ था ना मैंने this and now I'm wearing this very beautiful dress. मैं थोड़ी ऐसे नर्स टाइप लग रही हूँ या पता नहीं क्या है, इसने मेरी बहुत बेइज्जती कर दी बट कोई बात नहीं. सो दिस इज द ड्रेस दैट आई एम वेयरिंग और मैंने लास्ट अपनी वीडियो में दिखाई थी, लास्ट किसी वीडियो में दिखाई थी. आई विल लिंक इट हियर सो गो चेक इट आउट. एंड फॉर माई वैसे अंदर मैंने ये टॉप पहन लिया है क्योंकि ये बहुत डीप है. हंसने की कोई बात नहीं है. क्या
सही में नर्स लग रही है. नर्सरी नन. वो तो बच्चे होते किंडरगार्टन के. यहाँ 2 पिंस और लगा दे यहाँ पे. कैसे
चलना. तो अब मैंने ये मुझे सही लग रहा है, देखते हैं. वो तो बाहर अरे फोटो अच्छी नहीं आएंगी तो उतार फेंक दूंगी और क्या.
हाँ, टाइम वेस्ट करेंगे.
Anyways, so let me do my makeup and I will be right back. Alright, so I'm done doing my makeup and this is how it is looking, very beautiful and natural. I only did concealer and blush, so I think it is looking nice now. Moving on to my lipstick. Alright, moving on to my lips, I want to do something as a pink nude and I have two options. First is this Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Rose Touch, and then I have this Faces Canada Comfy Matte Lipstick in the shade number 10, just so you know. So the names are really interesting. So let me swatch both of these over here and देखते हैं कौन सा I want. So you can see it's a very beautiful shade. And then for the Faces Canada lipstick, this is the shade very similar. Not so similar. But I think I like this one better because it is more as a pink and I think this shade will look better. Okay, so both of these are very beautiful and provide HD color, long stay and matte finish. But I think I want to go for the Faces Canada one because I have been using these for a while now and these are so comfortable on my lips. I cannot stress on that enough. Stay इतना ज़्यादा है ना जो Lakme वाली है. You can like put it and then after what 2 hours maximum they just vanish. Like you can't even see them on your lips and this stayed long. Like seriously and super comfortable on your lips. They are so moisturizing and hydrating and you won't even feel कि you have something on your lips. And liquid lipstick, no way at all because liquid lipsticks do tend to get very dry and matte. So yeah, I think I should go for this and I really like this shade. This is a very beautiful pink nude shade and if you are into this one, please go get them now. These are also very affordable for rupees 399 only. I'll apply this and I won't reapply. I won't do any touch-ups of any sort और मैं बाहर जाके shoot करूँगी तो maybe there are chances के wear off हो जाए and we'll see that at the end of this video. Stay tuned to see how this performs. We all love liquid lipsticks with high performance, but what about the comfort? I hate it when my lips feel dry and chapped. No matter how many times I apply lip balm, my lips end up feeling so dry and it's a cherry on top when it comes to winters. Do you feel the same? If yes, then let's switch up to the most comfortable liquid lipstick that gives you long stay, kiss-proof, dynamic color payoff without compromising on comfort. The Faces Canada Comfy Matte Liquid Lipstick is enriched with almond oil and vitamin E. It gives you a matte look while keeping your lips hydrated. It is a super lightweight, glides as smoothly as butter. Love the premium packaging at this affordable price point of just rupees 399. It is paraben and alcohol free and comes in 12 beautiful shades. Perfect for Indian skin tone. I will link all of these down below. Please don't forget to check them out. Alright, so I'm going for this one because this is such a beautiful muted pink and a mix of pink and brown, I would say. Like I don't know, this color is super beautiful and it is in the shade number 11. This is called Fixed It For You, and it did fixed my lip color situation over here, and I think I'm in love. Like, this is my new favorite lipstick. My new favorite lipstick has to be this Faces Canada Comfy Matte lipstick. Like, these are super comfortable and yeah, and super affordable as well. Let's get started with the outdoor photo shoot situation. मेरे पास क्या क्या सामान मेरे को रखना है. I think I'm going to take what? I think I'm going to do my hair first, क्योंकि मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर रही ना अपने बालों में. I think I should do something. Ow. Alright, so I'm done dressing up and this is how I look. Curl मुझसे हो नहीं पाया तो मैंने straight कर लिए बाल टूट रहे हैं but then बाल नहीं आ रहे हैं. Alright, so this is what I'm taking. White bedsheet, this bag. I think jute bag से ज़्यादा अब ये ज़्यादा सुंदर लगेगा. I don't know, I feel, क्योंकि ये मेरे earring से मैच कर रहा है. हरमन ने बोला है. These napkins, these heels and बस इतना ही अभी मैंने लिया है. अभी जाते हुए देख लेंगे और कुछ चाहिए होगा तो, but I think all of this is enough. और the thing is, you need to dress up, feel beautiful, take some props, go out in the garden or somewhere जहाँ भी आपकी इच्छा हो, और keep your tripod, then pose. और इधर ये हरमन तैयार हो रही हैं. मेरा फोन ऐसे नहीं हो रहा धुंधला धुंधला सा, है ना?
कर लिया आगे से. और छवि ने मेरा मेकअप कराया है.
Super pretty. बस अब हम बाहर जा रहे हैं और बाहर जाके I will just show you the setup and all. मैं खुद सदमे में हूँ. हो देख, we are nothing but traumatized because यहाँ पे इतने सारे कुत्ते आ गए. वो सब एक दूसरे के पीछे पीछे भागने लगे और हम लिटरली इस बेंच के ऊपर थे.
मैंने कहा था शूट करना चाहिए तेरे को.
वो शूट करती मैं अपनी जान के लिए रो रही थी. चलो कोई बात नहीं. तो अभी मैंने यहाँ पे बेडशीट बिछा दिया. बैग है ये. You can also use this Bluetooth button, which comes very handy when you are, shooting yourself or clicking your own pictures. Alright, so I'm done shooting and it's been 3 hours that we've been shooting outdoors and my lipstick is literally intact. Like, can you guys see? I haven't applied, like I haven't reapplied it yet. So I don't think I have to. Like, can you see how beautiful it looks abhi bhi, and it is so freaking comfortable. This leaves me asking a question that, why do we have to always compromise on our comfort when we are wearing liquid lipsticks to look good, when we can seriously have both of them? This is now my favorite go-to lipsticks. Also, now that you guys know that you won't have to compromise on comfort and your lips won't be drying, would you consider buying these lipsticks? Let me know in the comment section below. And with that, we're done with this video. We're done with all the shoots. You have seen me posing, so you know what kind of poses you can go for and how you can do your self-portrait photo shoot. I think that is what it is called. I don't know. So I will write it over here. So yeah, I will put all the pictures. You might have already seen all the edited pictures, and please let me know if you want me to make another video where I will be telling you how I edit my pictures. That being said, that is it for today's video. These lipsticks will be linked down in my description box. Please don't forget to check them out. I personally love these colors so much, and personally I love this shade so much. This is like so freaking beautiful, and this is in the shade 11. You know it already. It's Fixed It For You, and I 100% am wearing this all the time. Then we have these beautiful shades as well. If you're into pinks, you can go for this one, and this red is so beautiful. I really hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. You know the drill, and I will meet you in my next video very, very soon. Until then, goodbye.